body, huh?
Smell that smoke?
They're smoking.
Let's flip it over.
That's not sad enough.
Let's just hold on there until they pop again.
Mm-mm. Are you seeing the sparks on your iPad?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yep.
Oh, watch. No sparks. I gotta flip it over again. Oh. Oh yeah, got it.
I think I took it.
See it? Oh, it's starting to pop. All you gotta do is just rub it around. It's gonna explode. Its head's fixing to explode. Oh God! I hate that noise. Oh, that's the worst noise ever. Oh God! Explode. We're gonna set off the smoke. I think we're gonna set off the smoke detector. He's dead.
Oh God, that's funny.
Watch the smoke.
Whoa.
It won't come off. I think he's had enough. This one now isn't.
Pop him until he gets off.
No. I'm gonna go throw this away.
What?
Where's the smoke?